Hi, just a short video to talk to you about this Miele Classic C1 Junior PowerLine vacuum cleaner. Comes in full working order and it is in good clean condition. So it comes with brush head, hose, handle and Miele telescopic wand. So the actual unit comes in red. I have cleaned it. It does have used dust scratch marks. It is a used item, of course. And I'll just turn it on. Inside comes with a new bag. Show you how clean it is. New filter there and a new filter there. I do have other Miele's in stock. Please take a look. So it is in good use, clean condition. Does have some light used marks. I don't know if you can see them in this light, but overall very good. Any questions at all, please ask. Thank you.